This morning, the Pentagon is putting troops on standby for a possible deployment to Minneapolis.
And this follows growing protests after the death of Renee Good by an ICE officer. KVUE's Allison Martinez live in our studios to explain what could be ahead. Good morning.
Good morning. The FBI is asking agents across the country to volunteer to travel to Minneapolis, although no mission has been assigned, as the Pentagon orders 2 infantry battalions in Alaska to be ready in case of a possible deployment. There have been violent protests and high tensions in the Twin Cities following the deadly shooting of Renee Good. The federal government says the agent's shooting of Good was justified. Meanwhile, the DOJ is now launching an investigation into Minnesota Governor Tim Walz and Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey. According to ABC, they're under investigation for allegedly obstructing law enforcement efforts.
There are other countries where you get put away for the things that you say. There are other countries where you get investigated for saying something that runs counter to what the federal government states. But in this country, it's not that way.
Meanwhile, defense officials tell ABC President Trump hasn't made a final decision whether to deploy the soldiers. And new this morning, 4 attorneys are telling ABC News ICE rejected their requests to meet with their clients. DHS is denying the claims, saying detainees are given due process and access to lawyers. Reporting in the studio, Allison Martinez, KVUE News.